I'm looking out here and there's this dirt line that's not sloping away from the house. So if water came in and it rained or excessive water, it would go into the house and under the footing or the foundation and undermine the house. So I was thinking that we could either suggest a French drainage system to get the water out, or have them grade it and slope that dirt down so the water flows away from the house. So for example, if the water wasn't diverted out with some sort of drainage system or some sort of 2% slope away from the house, then it can undermine the foundation. It could cause settlement for the future, which could lead to very expensive repairs. I'm in a bottomless pit to the surface surfing. I lived 1,000 lives, but I'm still searching. Broken glass in my hands, this is working. Money on the floor, she nervous. Paint a picture like Van Gogh, I'm cursed, man. Skirt, skirt, to the moon, bitch, I'm swerving. Hit the curb in my